It's everybody's favorite Uncle Buddy, also known as the Sky Pirate. And before we get into today's drone video, which is going to be a short one, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about a local organization here that I belong to that we could use your help. It's called the American Legion, and we're Post 18 in Arctic City, and we're located at Washington and A Street, just kitty corner from the post office. But here's what the deal is. There's several ways you can help us at the American Legion. One of them is just volunteer to help at one of our events. Get with somebody, one of the members, and just tell them, hey, I want to help. I may not want to be a member right now, but what can I do to help? And we can get you set up. There's three main branches of the American Legion. We have the American Legion, which are veterans and active duty military. Then we have the Sons of the American Legion, is what I am, which is our fathers or grandfathers served, and we can join the Legion and help that way. And there's the auxiliary, which is you can be the wives, daughters of veterans and active duty military. And with those three, they do a lot of good, and they work hard to help our veterans and the children out. Now, there's also a fourth, which is the American Legion Riders, which I am too. And the American Legion Rider seems to get a lot of attention because of the big bikes, and you see us driving through town and big old bike lineups, and all the kids are just in awe. And but all four of these sections of the American Legion are important and vital to taking care of veterans and children here in our area. I'm going to kind of stick right now with the video that I got that I'm going to show you today with the Legion Riders. Which is made up of all of them. It's not just one group of those on motorcycles. It's everybody. We don't care what you ride, metric, American bikes. It just, you ride what you like to ride, and you're eligible. And if you can be in one of the other three parts of the American Legion. But this weekend was Charlie Adams Day, that last Saturday in Newkirk, and we had our yearly Show N Shine, which we have a lot of people work hard to put that on. Teresa Stallnaker, she does an amazing job of getting things set up, and she needs a lot of help from all of us, even the volunteers. Even if you don't want to join, we might think about that next year, and it's always on Charlie Adams Day. And what we do is we raise money for a local child in Cali County that's in a medical need, and also a child in Kay County that's in a medical need. And the amount we may raise is vary, but hopefully it's substantial to help the family. Gas, food, hotel stays, whatever. But it's what we do. Another event that we do, we sell. You all heard our, selling our apple pies and everything. And the money that we raise from the apple pies goes to buying Christmas for veterans out at the VA home that, for whatever reason, maybe doesn't have a family that can bring them Christmas. So we help take care of that, and we do bingo out there with the guys out there, and just different events, different fundraiser events. Our broomstick pool, we've had cornhole tournaments, and it's fun. And it would be great if we could get some more people to join up and help. And like I said, just a volunteer. You don't have to join up, but it would sure be nice if you did. It's good for our community. It's good for you. It's good for us. Your volunteer services look great on resumes for some of you younger people, and just come and talk to us. We're located, as I said earlier, at Washington and A Street, just kitty corner from the post office. And you go in there, ask one of the bartenders, hey, when is the next meeting for this? If you're a veteran, you can go to a Legion meeting, or she can get you in touch with one of the Legionnaires. If you are a son, you can find out when the Sons meeting is, get in touch with one of the Sons. Same way with the auxiliary. I don't have it right on the top of my head, and I'm sorry I didn't take the time to write it down so I can tell you when the meetings are. But like I said, just contact the American Legion and they'll get you in touch with them. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just put up a little bit of a video. It's kind of short. It's one of my drone videos. And other than that, y'all have a wonderful day, and really seriously consider about doing this, because this is a great thing. And I know my wife and I, when we join, we really enjoy what they do, and a lot of the people there are fun to be around and fun to work with. So just give us a holler. Talk to you later. Uncle Buddy loves you. Bye.